So let's talk about 2008. I know that still burns many of us. For those of us that were investing in 2008, it was a scary time. We saw the market fall 30, 35%. We saw home prices fall. And so what we have concluded, those that have lived through this, is, well, geez, the market might fall 35% next year. It might fall 35%, at some point again. It might go up, it might go down. I can't bet on when there is going to be home price appreciation, but I'm going to challenge that notion with you today. Question I get asked often is home price appreciation speculative, right? Is it, at the end of the day, is it something that I should count on as an investor? And my answer is, it depends, okay? There is certainly a time when I would not advise you to count on home price appreciation in your decision to invest, okay? That time would be if you have a short-term outlook. If you are buying a rental property today with the intention of selling that rental property in the next year, 2 years, 3 years, we should not be having this conversation about home price appreciation, right? This training is not for you. And the reason is because home price appreciation is speculative. I don't know what it's gonna do over the next year, 2 years, 3 years. And even if you do get some great benefits of home price appreciation over the next 1, 2, 3 years, it really doesn't matter that much because you're going to get eaten up with the selling costs and the holding costs of trying to dispose of the real estate. So this should not be a conversation. Home price appreciation should not be a conversation if you have a short-term outlook. But the alternative is what I want to talk about. If you are like me and you have owned rental properties for a long time, or your intention is to build a large portfolio to maybe replace income coming from other sources, or maybe to get your money out of the stock market into a more consistent asset class like rental properties are, and you do have a buy and hold time frame, a horizon that is 10 years, 20 years, even longer, then what I'm going to show you today is that it is not speculative. It is something that has tried and true metrics and data behind it. And there is a strategy and something that you can count on when it comes to your investment decisions. And this is the single greatest point where I think investors can benefit. If you do have that long-term buy and hold mentality and you are planning on holding a rather substantial portfolio, you need to listen up, because if you don't value in home price appreciation, that's where it can cost you tens and hundreds of thousands of dollars, depending on the size of your portfolio.